Alexander Kids TV, and welcome to another video of Trash Truck Simulator. Today I'm gonna upgrade my garbage truck, and I'm gonna make my garbage truck a side loader. Let's see. Oh yeah, yes, this is good. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, we did it. There we go. Now it can move again. We have I think, look at that van over there. I think that's a minivan. Look at that minivan. Actually, that's actually a regular van. Okay, let's empty it. Oh, there we go. It said please slow down because I've been going fast. I'm gonna collect garbage cans all around the city, even the ones with flies all over it. I don't know why my truck is so slow! What is going on with my truck? Okay. There we go. Now we emptied it. I'm in the high position! I better turn it off. Oh no, looks like I can't. Okay, fine. We'll just have to keep on the wipers. How did it come on? Did I press a certain button or something? I must have accidentally pressed on the windshield wiper button. And that's... Okay, let's see what it looks like with the wipers on when you pick up trash. Oh wow. Look at that. I think all the trash in the hopper got compacted. Now, time for more trash. More trash. Right now we have more trash. Okay. Let's go empty the trash bin. Oh my gosh, look at all those flies. It's raining. Oh wow. Look at all this rain. There's so much rain everywhere. There's rain everywhere, and my wipers are still wiping. The wipers are just wiping off all that water. There we go. All the garbage is collected. They wipe really well. Sometimes I turn them on in the car wash because I just wipe the soap off. Look at all that water. I like driving in the rain, even if it's heavy rain. Heavy rain is good. Oh, I'm gonna unload the garbage. Ah! I hit that concrete wall. I just hit that concrete wall right there. That concrete wall that we just built for the garbage depot. When this garbage depot got built, I just hit that concrete wall. Look at but luckily the garbage truck has no scratch. Look at that. We're in the depot, and look at that. We're in the depot. Okay, we can empty everything. Looks like the rain stopped. So let's back up and unload. Look at how much garbage I collected. So after the garbage gets dumped, we just use all of that crane right there, that little thing, that claw, it just grabs the garbage and then puts it into the incinerator. And look how much trash, that's how much trash I collected. And it's all going into the incinerator. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Now we can drive. Okay. Oh. Oh, I can't see the garbage depot. Let me navigate there. Garbage depot. Okay. We can go to the garbage depot. It looks like I'm slowing down right now. So those arrows tell you which way to go to the garbage depot. Like you have to go this way. And we're almost there. We're almost there. Here it is. We're here. At the garbage depot. Let's turn. We're back here. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out on a single video like this. Bye!